Hi, this is Tim Rosansky with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over sump pump failures in your basement and how to dry them out. A sump pump failure can flood your basement fast, leaving behind water, moisture, and potential mold. Acting quickly is critical to restoring your space and preventing long-term damage. First, stop the water flow. If the failure is due to a burst pipe or leaking toilet, shut off the main water supply. Address the issue immediately to prevent further flooding. Assess the damage. Check for damp walls, wet floors, and moisture around plumbing fixtures. Use moisture meters to detect hidden damp spots behind walls and under flooring. Remove standing water. Use pumps, wet vacuums, dehumidifier to extract water fast. Focus on high-risk areas like around sinks, toilets, and basement floors. Drying and dehumidifications. Set up industrial fans and humidifiers to reduce moisture and humidity. Keep air circulating to prevent mold growth in damp areas. This is affected completely differently if you have a finished versus a non-finished basement. Prevent mold growth. Disinfect and sanitize all wet surfaces using mold inhibiting cleaners. Humidity levels should be kept between 30 and 50% to stop mold from forming. Repair and rebuild. In the circumstance you have an unfinished basement, there should not be much to do, but with a finished basement, make sure to replace damaged drywall, flooring, and insulation, and ensure plumbing fixtures, especially a new sump pump, is ordered and properly sealed and installed. Preventing future failures by installing a backup sump pump or a water alarm for early detection. Regularly maintain these to make sure that you do not have this happen again. To conclude, make sure that your sump pump is currently working and currently being monitored by a water alarm. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at PDQ Restoration.